Google Pixel Watch 2 is confirmed to launch as the successor to the Pixel Watch at its upcoming Made by Google event on October 4. It is scheduled to debut alongside the Pixel 8 series of smartphones and the updated Pixel Buds Pro. While the company has already teased the design and won the color auctions of the upcoming smartwatch, a new leak has revealed which almost covered everything about the smartwatch. Droid Life has offered additional insights into the Pixel Watch 2, Google's second-generation smartwatch, and one that is expected to be powered by a Snapdragon 5 Gen 1 derived chipset. To recap, Google has already revealed the design of the Pixel Watch 2 through a short teaser video, which we have covered separately. Additionally, the same video appeared to showcase several differences between the Pixel Watch and Pixel Watch 2, including IP68 certification and a new sensor array. According to Droid Life, Google will ship the Pixel Watch 2 with a USB-C fast charging cable, unlike its predecessor. For reference, the original Pixel Watch peaked at 5 watts charging, half the wattage of recent Galaxy Watch smartwatches. Thus, it would seem that Google has brought faster charging capabilities to the Pixel Watch platform with its second-generation model. However, the improvement from the original Pixel Watch remains to be seen. Likewise, it is unclear whether the Pixel Watch 2 will integrate reverse wireless charging, an unusual omission from the Pixel Watch considering Google's support for the feature within its smartphones. Purportedly, Google will persist with black, gold, and silver color options for another generation. Droid Life adds that Google will offer obsidian and hazel watch bands for the black and gold versions of the Pixel Watch 2, respectively, which are unchanged combinations from the original Pixel Watch. Conversely, Google will pair the Pixel Watch 2 in silver with porcelain and bay watch bands, with the latter likely the same light blue hue as the bay case that Google sells for the Pixel Fold. The Pixel Watch 2 will debut on October 4, as will the vanilla version of Wear OS 4 and the Pixel 8 series. So are you guys excited for the upcoming Pixel Watch 2 from Google? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more Pixel updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.